Samsung might not be done with the Galaxy S25 just yet, and the latest update proves exactly that. While most people expected all the attention to stay on the newer Galaxy S26 lineup, Samsung has now brought two of its most useful AI-powered features to the Galaxy S25 series. These aren't flashy camera upgrades or fancy design changes. Instead, they're practical tools that can actually improve how people use their phones every day. The two features are called Prioritize Notifications and Summarize Notifications, and both are powered by Galaxy AI. Let's start with Prioritize Notifications. One of the biggest problems with modern smartphones is notification overload. Messages from friends, work emails, social media alerts, shopping apps, and countless other notifications arrive throughout the day. Important messages often get buried under less important alerts, making them easy to miss. Samsung's new Prioritize Notifications feature is designed to solve exactly that problem. Using Galaxy AI, the phone analyzes incoming notifications and determines which ones are most important to you. If the AI believes a message deserves your attention, it automatically places that notification at the top of the list. This means that even if dozens of notifications arrive afterward, the important one stays visible and easy to find. Imagine receiving an important work message, a family update, or a time-sensitive alert. Instead of getting lost beneath a flood of notifications, Galaxy AI helps keep it front and center. However, there is one limitation right now. The feature only works with notifications that match your phone's system language. For example, if your Galaxy S25 is set to English, the AI will prioritize notifications written in English. Notifications in other languages may not receive the same treatment. The second feature is called Summarize Notifications, and it could save users a lot of time. We've all received long message threads where several people are talking at once. Sometimes reading through an entire conversation just to understand what's happening can be frustrating. Samsung's solution is simple. Galaxy AI creates a short summary of conversational notifications, allowing users to quickly understand the main points without opening the app and reading every message. Instead of scrolling through multiple texts, you get a brief overview generated by AI. This can be especially useful when you're busy, working, or simply don't have time to read everything immediately. Like Prioritize Notifications, this feature also depends on the phone's system language. If your device is set to English, summaries will only be generated for English notifications. Samsung has also mentioned that Summarize Notifications may not function properly when battery levels are very low or when power-saving mode is enabled. For users concerned about privacy, Samsung says both features process data securely on the device itself, helping keep personal information protected. If you're wondering which apps support these new tools, the list is surprisingly large. Samsung has confirmed compatibility with many of the most popular messaging platforms, including WhatsApp, Google Messages, Samsung Messages, Telegram, Snapchat, and several others. Of course, there may still be some apps that don't fully support these features yet. If a particular app isn't working with notification summaries or prioritization, it may simply not be compatible at the moment. Now the big question is how Galaxy S25 users can get these features. First, you'll need to install the June 2026 update based on One UI 8.5. Once the update is installed, enabling the features is fairly simple. Just open the Settings app, go to Notifications, then select Notification Highlights. From there, choose either Prioritize Notifications or Summarize Notifications and turn the feature on. Interestingly, many Galaxy users expected these AI tools to arrive on the S25 series alongside One UI 8.5. That didn't happen initially, leading to speculation that Samsung might release them later through a separate update. That's exactly what has happened. The June 2026 security update not only includes security fixes, but also delivers these highly requested Galaxy AI features. In fact, the larger-than-usual update size now makes a lot more sense. And it's not just the Galaxy S25 family getting the upgrade. Samsung has also rolled out these features to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and the Galaxy Trifold. While the Galaxy S26 may still have the spotlight, Samsung's latest move shows that older flagship devices aren't being forgotten. With smarter notification management and AI-generated summaries now available, the Galaxy S25 series has become even more useful, proving that sometimes the best smartphone upgrades aren't the flashy ones, but the features that make everyday life easier.